Hello everybody. Alright, so I'm going to be making one more video at least here, and that's how to do Spinitron on the phone. Is it even possible? This is the first time I'm really trying, so let's see how it goes. So here we are at spinitron.com, and to get to the login page, you're going to press your finger on menu, and then you're going to press login. Okay, that's where you're going to put your email and password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and log in. All right, so I am logged in here. So as you go down the page, the front page, you see the current and upcoming shows, and then you see my playlists. So if you're editing an already existing playlist, that's what you're going to look at. So I'm going to do March 30th, Drive Time Jazz. Okay, so there it is. So it's kind of in the middle there, March 30th. You see that? So I'm going to click on that. And here's the playlist here. It's fairly complete, but it's missing 2 of the songs. So I'm going to press Edit Playlist. Okay, so here you get kind of the details of the show. So all of that should be correct already. So I'm going to skip it and I'm going to press Submit. And here we have the top part is where you submit the information, and then the bottom part is the title of all the songs. And to see the whole thing, you kind of have to slide across with your finger to see them all. Okay, and if we needed to edit one, you'd click on the pencil and hopefully that would work. But we're going to add a couple of them, so let's start filling in the information. So one is Herbie Mann, so I'm going to type in his name. Okay, so it was able to find the song and put a start time with the duration on the end. Of course, the start time isn't correct because it was at 7 a.m. So I'm going to click in there. It was 1971. It does have the ISRC, and it actually has the label, so that's good news. All right, so that should be correct, so let me submit it. Okay, so there we go, and let's go down to the bottom. So there it is at the bottom, 7 o'clock, Herbie Mann, Funky Nassau. All right, let's see, we got one more song. We got a Wayne Shorter song. All right, I just got to fix the time now. 7:45, 46. Okay, so that should do it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and press submit right now. And let's see, so that was 7:45, and there it is. Of course, it is out of sequence. Whoops, wait a minute. It says 11:45. It should say 7:45, so I made a mistake. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. And I'm going to click inside here, change it to 7:45. Okay, and then I'm going to press the check. Okay, so now it's in the right place. Okay, so it is possible for you to edit your playlist on a mobile device, on a phone like I did. All right, hope that helps. Talk to you soon.